Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. Yes, I'm here at the Mika motorcycle auction, classic motorcycle auction, largest in the world here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So let's get walking, see what we can find. You're welcome to join me and point out anything you like. All right everyone, let's get going. Alright, this is a 1988 Pulse Autocycle. It's powered by a 1900cc Yamaha V-twin. And this thing is amazing. Definitely has an aircraft feel to it. I think it really has a James Bond feel to it. But yeah, it's pretty impressive. I like it a lot. Two-seater. Has a lot of cool features built into it. Now this trike is called Justified. Pretty cool. Has a 383 cubic inch Corvette motor, 4-bolt main out of 1985 Corvette. It's twin turboed and fuel injected, and it also has a turbo 350 transmission. It's rated about 600 horsepower and a lot of torque. Pretty impressive. They say with the right tires on it, it can do a wheelie stand. That's pretty impressive. That would be awesome to see. Yeah, it's just a wild looking trike. And its name is Justified. And it's won an awards over the years. This would be a fun bike to have, I think. Man, V8 engine, 383 cubic inch. That's a lot of motor. 600 horsepower. This is built by a company called Confederate. It's a P-51 combat fighter is the model, and it's a custom-made motorcycle that company it makes. It's they've built 61 of them so far, and this one's pretty cool. I kind of thought it was some type of futuristic movie motorcycle, but it's a pretty cool bike. And it's pretty wild. It does look like a fighter. Futuristic, definitely. Yeah, I really love this motorcycle. It's made at 100% billet aluminum. Machined. Pretty cool. Pretty wild design and how it's built. Yep. Alright. Let me know what you think. This is a Harley Davidson XR 750. It's a hill climbing bike built by the champion legend Tom Reacher. Pretty cool bike. XR 750, like I said. It's been stretched out to make that hill climb. Yeah, Tom was a championship hill climber. Now this is cool replica motorcycle from the great movie Easy Rider. Great movie, great motorcycle. It's spot on, accurate. Tribute bike, replica. Great movie. Well, that brings the end of another episode here at Gearhead Man. Guys, gotta let me know in the comments what you think. If you have a favorite bike, if you saw something you used to own, something you want to own, if you collect classic motorcycles, leave your comments. I respond to everyone, and I'm interested to see what my viewers think of about this auction. Give us a like, give us a share. If you're not a subscriber, that's crazy if you're not, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you never miss a new episode. All right, everyone. See you next episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Oh, we're getting very close to 20,000 subscribers, and I'm going to celebrate that. So keep an eye out for that, and definitely smash that subscribe button. All right, everyone. Thank you. See you next episode.